Hey Internet Land, come pack and order with me. A customer ordered the Judgment Tarot trinket dish. Very nice. First thing I like to do is put down a base cushion. This is a bubble wrap envelope I'm reusing from something else. And then I like to wrap the piece up really well in more bubble wrap. This is also reused from something else. And I'm throwing in this little owl magnet. Super cute. Hopefully they like it. And then get that wrapped up really well. More layers means less possibility of breakage. And then a little extra tape. I also like to write out a little thank you on each packing slip. I got this idea from a good friend of mine that also does it on hers. Just an added little touch. And then a good bit of brown paper so it doesn't move and gives it the best chance of arriving safely and in one piece. Thanks for hanging out, and fuck fascism and fuck ICE. Bye.